Hi my friends, this is Molly from Holtop. Today I will show you how to connect our Comfort Fresh Air HRV with the smart app and how to use the Wi-Fi on our phone. Here we go. First of all, we need to make sure the unit is powered on and it's connected with Wi-Fi and our phone. It's also connected the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then let's press the on and off button and let the machine run. Okay, as you can see, here is a Wi-Fi module, and there is a black button here, and we can press it and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, and now we can see the indicator is blinking. Then we can go to the Play Store and search Smart Life. Then we will see a Smart Life app. Download it and open. Then choose the Smart Home Appliances. And we will see the ventilation system, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Then press it. Now we can see we can press the next and choose the blink quickly. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Then next. Okay, now the unit is linked. Then we can press it and rename the unit. CFA unit. Done. Okay, now we are in the app now, and we can see the switch, the SA fan speed, EA fan speed, mode, bypass mode, and high speed mode here. And we can see the data here. Let's have a try. Let's put the switch. It's off now. And press it again. Okay, it's on again. Then we can choose the mode and make it confirm. Then we can set the speed. Then at the bottom of the app, we can see a setup button. At this page, we can see so many functions here, like bypass switch, bypass opening temperature and the range, and the high speed time setting, the defrost time, the CO2 concentration setting, the balance rate setting, so many functions. Then we can try. We can see here the bypass temperature is from 3 degrees centigrade to 19 degrees centigrade as defaulted. Then the filters. We can see here the filters is defaulted as 60 days. And we can choose it. The maximum days can be 120 days. Then electric heater temperature setting, we can set it as 27, confirm. Also the CO2 concentration, it's all up to you. Okay, that's pretty much about our Wi-Fi function here. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop us a message. We will be in touch. Thank you.